A God WOD this. A daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Hyacinth Richards Goffe.
Greetings. Tell me something. God ever tell you something yet? If the answer no, me I beg you, dig down deep in him word and beg him to talk to you. But if the answer is yes, then try remember a way him did tell you and hold on tight pan it, cause anything he tell you, I saw it a go. Remember, me tell you. Today, me I go read from the book when named Acts, chapter 27, from verse 27 to verse 44. One night, after we did there see for 2 weeks, the storm did a blow across the Adriatic Sea. When it did reach about middle night, the sailor them did believe so them they near land. So then drop one rope with sitting every type on it to check how deep the water be. Them find out say they need they in a water where it 120 foot deep. After they sail little further, then check again and find out say the water did 90 foot deep. Them did afraid so we go crash on the reef. So then drop 4 of the ship, anchor them from the back of the ship and pray for daylight. The sailor them did want to get away from the ship. So they let down the little boat in the water and go on like say anchor them did a throw from in front of the ship. But Paul said to the head for 100 soldiers, say, if the sailor them not turn on the ship, you can't reach ashore alive. So the soldier them cut the rope them where they tie up the boat and make it drop in the water and blow away. When they saw light, Paul begged them to eat something. Him say, till they make 14 days since you no worry on yourself and no eat nothing. So, you come on now, man, eat something, or you not go make it. And none of you not go lose, not even one dege ear off of the head. After he said that, Paul take bread and give God thanks in front of all of them. Then he broke it and start to eat it. So all of them take out and eat something too. And the 276 away upon the ship. After them done yam all with them one, them fling the rest of sitting them upon the ship in the water. When they light, they never know which part them did they. But they see one area where look like one bay with one beach. So they make up their mind to try and run the ship on the sandbank. So then cut off the anchor them off of the rope and left them in the sea. Then loose the chain off of the sitting them where they turn the ship, put up the big piece of cloth where they use to catch the breeze, turn around the ship and head for the beach. But they run in the sun, which part the water shallow. The front of the ship jam and fasten in the sun and couldn't move. The wave them crashed so hard against the back of the ship that it broke up in pieces. So the soldier them planned to kill the prisoner them so that none of them couldn't jump in the sea and get away. But the 800 soldier never wanted them to kill Paul. So he never made the soldier them kill none of the prisoner them neither. So in the order say all who can swim, fi jump off first and swim go land. And the one them we can't swim, fi hang on pan piece of plank or anything we broke off of the ship and float go ashore. And so all of them reach land safe. A God WOD this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.